Here's an example of how enumerations or enums can be useful in C#. Here we have a simple program that outputs a message to the console depending on what season it is. We grab the current month as an integer and store it in our current month variable. We then declare our current season variable and via a series of if statements assign our current season variable an integer value that indicates a particular season, which we've explained with comments. After the assignment, we use a switch statement to check our current season variable value and output different lines to the console depending on that value. This program works, but it requires comments to make it more understandable and uses magic numbers for our seasons, making our code harder to maintain. Here's an almost identical program, but we've implemented the usage of enums. Here's our season enum up here with our 4 seasons defined in the body of the enum. Inside the program, instead of using an integer to store our current season, we're going to use our enum type. The logic of determining what season it currently is identical to our previous program, but now we are assigning our season enum variable one of the corresponding enum values we've defined above. Our switch statement is very similar to our previous program as well, but we are checking the value of our enum variable now instead of an integer, and we output our console messages accordingly. Using enums, we have made it clearer what this program does and have removed our usage of magic numbers, making our code more comprehensible and maintainable.